Hello friends, welcome back to the mock test series for linguistics UGC NET. Question number first is statement A. Lexicostatics is a comparative method which involves comparing the percentage of lexical cognates between languages to determine their relationship. Statement A is correct because we know in lexicography we compare lexical words of two languages to find the similarity between two languages on the basis of the similarity of words. So the statement A is correct. Statement B, although lexicostatics is a comparative method, but it cannot be used to reconstruct a proto-language. Statement number B is also correct because we know in lexicostatics we compare cognates of two different languages to find similarity between the languages. But in order to reproduce a proto-language, we have to check the phonological similarities between the languages to reach the prototype. So for that thing, we use the process of external reconstruction but not lexicostatics. So option number 3, both the statements are correct, is the correct option. Question number 2, statement A. Greece outlined 4 maxims of conversation in his book Aspects of Conversation. Statement number A is wrong because the book in which Greece has mentioned his maxims of conversation is not aspects of conversation, but it is logic and conversation. So the option number first is wrong. So the statement A is wrong. Statement B says the concept of cooperative principle was introduced by Greece in his pragmatic theory. Statement number 2 is correct. So the option number B, statement B is correct, but statement A is incorrect, is the correct option. Question number 3. Standard language is the variety of language considered by the speakers to be most appropriate. Option number first is the correct option in a formal and educational contexts. Question number 4. Statement A. Lexicalist hypothesis is a response to generative semantics which uses transformation in the derivation of complex words. So the statement number A is correct because the generative semantics claims that these syntactic structures are computed on the basis of meaning. But the lexicalist hypothesis by Noam Chomsky was a response to this generative semantics, which claims that syntactic transformations only can operate on syntactic constraints. They are not purely computed on the basis of meaning. So the statement number 4 is correct. Statement B is the strong version of lexicalist hypothesis is that transformation could not operate on both derivational and inflectional words. This statement is also correct because the weak version of lexical hypothesis says that transformation cannot operate only on derivational words, and the strong version is that it cannot operate on any of these two types of words. Option number 3 is correct. Question number 5. Which of the following stylistic feature stands for words repeated more than once, but each time the meaning is different? The correct option is option number first, yamak. Yamak is like homonymy, where same words are repeated more than once, but the meaning or the sense of word is different each time. Question number 6. The n sound in English language is a nasal sound, a fricative sound, nasalized sound, and an unvoiced sound. The correct option is option number first. It is a nasal sound. A nasal sound is a sound in which the oral cavity is blocked and the air passes through the nose. And a nasalized sound is a sound in which some of the air passes through the nose and the rest of the air comes out through the mouth. No sound in English is a nasal sound. Question number 7. A general economic constraint which allows the movement of an element only if it satisfies the requirement of the moved element is. Option number 2. Greed is the correct option. Question number 8. A more common name for the posterior speech cortex is. It is of course the vernix area. Broca's area is the frontal lobe, frontal speech cortex, and the vernix area is the posterior speech cortex. Question number 9. The notion of linguistic relativity relates to linguistics and. The correct option is anthropology. The concept of linguistic relativity is that the structure of a language affects a speaker's worldview. Means we think in terms of our own language. Question number 10 is verbal behavior was written by. It was written by the behaviorist B.F. Skinner. So this was the last question of this series. I will be uploading more such videos. Till then, stay connected and do subscribe my channel.